In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present a PowerPoint in Microsoft Teams. First things first, you're going to want to open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page. Make sure you sign in using your Microsoft account details. It's essential to have the correct credentials to ensure you can access all the features available in Teams. Once you've successfully signed in, turn your attention to the left panel. Here, you will see an option labeled Meet. Click on that, and it will direct you to the Meeting section of Teams. At this point, you can either join an existing meeting or schedule a new one, depending on your requirements. Remember, joining a meeting is straightforward. Simply click the Join button when prompted. Now, after you've joined the meeting, you'll be presented with an option to Join Now. Look for this prompt and click on it to enter the meeting room. Now that you're in the virtual meeting space, let's talk about sharing your PowerPoint presentation. Head over to the top right corner of the Teams interface and find the Share button. This button is crucial for presenting any documents or slides you want to display to participants in the meeting. Upon clicking Share, a menu will appear, giving you the flexibility to choose what you'd like to share. Select Screen, Window, or Tab. This is an essential step because it provides you with the option to precisely share your PowerPoint presentation without distractions from other open applications. Select the tab where your PowerPoint is set up. It's a good idea to have your presentation ready to go in advance to facilitate a smooth transition here. Don't forget this. If your presentation contains any audio or video files, it's important to check the box labeled Also Share Tab Audio. This ensures that any multimedia elements within your PowerPoint are audible to all meeting participants, making your presentation more engaging and comprehensive. Finally, once you have everything set up the way you want it, click on the Share button. At this point, your PowerPoint presentation will be visible to all participants in the meeting, and you're all set to begin your presentation. Remember, practice makes perfect, so it might be helpful to run through these steps a couple of times to get comfortable with the process. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to present your PowerPoint in Microsoft Teams effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.